taille ce matin.
T'as survécu?
Ah, j'ai survécu, mais tu sais, je voudrais pas vous montrer mes
Ben, t'as
pantalons.
pas dit aux gens que je suis intervenu puis je t'ai un peu sauvé la vie.
Oui, t'as tout fait pour moi, je l'apprécie. Non, mais tu sais, on fait des blagues, mais c'est probablement le plus bel espoir de la boxe québécois qui est assis avec nous. Arslanbek Makhmoudov du groupe Eye of the Tiger Management, de Lion, 6'6", 260 livres. Arslanbek, thanks a lot for taking some time for us this morning.
Thank you very much for
So you're going to be fighting March 16.
yes.
What's going on in your life around this time? Like, what's your day-to-day, your training? How are things going?
Yes, I start training. I start my camp, for this fight. I did fight. Lost my fight just 2 months ago.
Yeah.
After a little bit rest, a little bit go for vacation for 5 days. Now my focus just about my next fight. Start camp yesterday. Strong training.
Good preparation. Je lui ai posé la question, we're going to be translating in French if you don't mind. Je lui ai posé la question quant à sa préparation parce qu'il y a un combat au casino le 16 mars prochain. Il dit, j'ai appris récemment que je me battais, j'ai commencé mon camp d'entraînement, ça va bien. I have a question for you. I don't know if you know, but there's supposed to be a major snowstorm today. We're expecting a lot of snow. You say Montreal is your home, you say you love Montreal. What's your relationship with the weather?
Yes, a little bit, not little bit. Too cold in Montreal, yes. It's very long.
It's long, huh?
Long, winter long,
Longer than in Moscow?
In Moscow, I think same weather. I live in Moscow, yes, 6 years. When I was a student,
A student?
Yeah.
Okay.
Je posais la question quand elle... Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, but my original place, original home, not like this weather.
Nicer?
More warming,
OK. Je lui pose la question quant à la température parce que c'est un gars qui a adopté Montréal, adore la ville, mais en même temps, il dit parfois j'ai une drôle de relation avec la température. Il a habité à Moscou, c'était semblable, mais dans sa ville natale, c'était beaucoup plus chaud.
We're gonna watch some fights, some knockouts, and my question is, when you get in the ring, do you think like knockouts only, or you're more strategic fighter?
This is not possible for good boxer. You never need to think about knockout. If you think about knockout, you never do it.
Okay.
Because you need to think about technical. You need to think about coach instruction, about tactic. You can't think about just knockout. If you think about it, you not do it,
OK. Bon, on voit que Marc Ramsey, son entraîneur, fait du bon travail parce que malgré que c'est un bonhomme qui est reconnu pour ça, dit tu peux pas entrer dans le ring et penser que tu vas... Non, mon Dieu! Que tu vas knocker l'adversaire parce que ça, c'est une stratégie qui va mener en sorte que peut-être toi, tu vas te faire knocker. Are you scared sometime? Is it a good thing to be scared sometime when you get in the ring, or you're so confident that it's gonna end like that?
You mean scared me?
Yes. Are you? I mean, my guess is no, but I mean, maybe sometimes being scared is a good thing. I don't know.
It's emotion. It's you need it. It's everything for like that. You need a little bit emotion.
Okay.
Little bit scared.
Okay.
If you don't have emotion, you don't have. Fire.
Yeah.
You need a little bit fire.
Yeah.
But you need too much. If you have too much emotion, this kill you.
Okay. Il parle du ballon.
You lose power. You lose.
Yeah.
You
lose your focus, I guess.
Focus, yeah, because you think about you need to be relaxed, but little bit, emotion, little bit. No scared. It's to me, but I think. I keep my emotion, I that.
Et donc, ce qu'il nous dit, ça prend un ballon un petit peu d'émotion. Tu peux pas être trop relax parce que sinon, peut-être, tu perds tes repères et tu perds la petite pensée que, je veux dire, tu vas quand même boxer contre un gars qui veut te faire très, très mal. Mais il dit, on peut pas dire que c'est de la peur. On le comprend en le regardant, mais on voit que c'est un travail psychologique incroyable puis qu'il y a un ballon entre tellement d'émotions, entre tellement de stratégies. C'est très intéressant.
Your goal, and I think you can achieve it, is to become world champion. When you were, 17 years old, you called your good friend, Artur Beterbiev,
Yes.
and you said, I want to come to Montreal. Back then, did you know you were going to become world champion?
Yes, exactly. I go. It's my dream for first I come in gym. My dream is to be champion world. But first time I I wanna go. I tell about this history. It's very important for me because Artur Beterbiev, this guy, my big brother, you know. Before I wanna go in USA. I have contract, you know, but I don't have trust for this guy, you know, because I don't know this guy. Just 1-2 time I
On the phone.
told with this guy. After I think I listen. I know before Artur Beterbiev in the Russian national team, you know. I think just maybe I asked this guy. Maybe this guy have good recommendation for about this, you know. After this guy, okay, I help you. I know this situation in Canada because this guy 5 year, 5 year work with this guy, you know, promotion, manager, everything. This guy helped me, you know. This guy tell me about Camille Stefan.
Yeah.
Artur told me this very serious guy.
Okay.
This guy you can
Trust him, yeah, he's a good guy, right?
It's
Awesome.
like that, you know.
Je lui demandais quant à sa relation avec Artur Beterbiev, qui est probablement son meilleur ami.
Son grand frère.
Oui, son mentor. Il vient à côté de la même ville ou presque à 2 heures de route en Russie. Il lui a dit, tu peux faire confiance aux gens d'Eye of the Tiger Management. Il avait exploré l'avenue aux États-Unis et finalement, c'est au Québec. I want to show you something. We're going to hear something. It's what happens when you walk out onto the ring. Okay? That's the only music that plays, huh?
What's the explanation behind that? I mean, it's scary.
The nuclear alarm.
It's mean, you know, avia bomb, you know.
Bomb?
It's a
before in war, you know, if I don't know, I think it's everywhere. If avia bomb, this song, people know. Now start avia bomb, you need
So they gotta run away and being scared. Mais alors, ce que vous avez entendu, c'est la sirène d'une bombe quand, en fait, il y a pas de musique d'entrée, c'est une sirène. Il dit, c'est pas compliqué. C'est universel. Quand t'entends ce son-là, tu pars à courir et c'est pas mal ce que je ferais si j'étais un de ses adversaires, aucun doute là-dessus.
16th of March 16 actually, 12:30 in the afternoon, you're going to fight Avery Gibson at the Montreal Casino. You probably know him because Avery Gibson lost against Simon Keane, 2 years ago? I'm sure you're confident that's going to be another explosive fight for you?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your best advice for your opponent?
You know, after last fight, my coach, Mark Ramsey, sent me this guy name.
Yeah.
First time I look this record.
A cycle?
This guy record. This guy
Haircut.
record. I mean, I think it's not good record. You know, this opponent no good. After I go, I see this guy fight. This guy never down. You know, this guy have loss but never down.
Is he going down?
Yes, never. No knockdown.
No, but with you?
It's yes.
It's gonna happen?
I think I don't know. I don't know. Think about because I needed this guy knockout.
Yeah.
I will do just my job, you know.
Okay.
I go in ring just boxing, just show my good condition, show my good punch, you know.
You be you. You just have to be you.
Yes, I need to be Arslanbek. Yes.
Arslanbek Makhmoudov, thank you so much for
Thank
taking
you
the
for your
time.
Appreciate it.
Honestly, great job in English. I know it's hard,
Yeah.
a new language, but you're nailing it. We
That's
appreciate
perfect,
the effort, and we truly believe that we'll have a world champion in the near future. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you very
Take
much.
care,
Thank you.
Arslanbek.
Thank you very
Yes.
much.